Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to open Jotform in a pop-up window. This is a fantastic way to keep visitors on your website while they fill out your forms, creating a seamless user experience without redirecting them to another page. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. Make sure you have the correct login information handy so you can access your form's dashboard without any delays. After logging in, you'll land on your Jotform dashboard where all your forms are displayed. Take a moment to locate the specific form you want to open in a pop-up window. Once you've found it, click the Edit Form button. This will take you directly into the form builder where you can make any adjustments and access the publishing options. Now that you're in the form builder, look toward the top of the page and click the Publish button. This is where Jotform gives you multiple options for how you want to share or display your form. The Publish section is your gateway to embedding, sharing links, or integrating your form into various platforms. In the left panel that appears, you'll see several options. Select Embed from this menu. This will open up different embedding methods for your form. From these options, click on Popup. Jotform will then generate a specific pop-up code snippet tailored for your form. Go ahead and copy this code. It contains all the necessary instructions for your website to display the form in a pop-up window when triggered. With your code copied, it's time to head over to your website editor. This could be WordPress, Wix, or even a simple HTML file depending on how your site is built. Open the page where you want the pop-up form to appear. Next, you'll need to create or select an existing link or button that will trigger the pop-up. For example, you might have something like Open Form as your clickable text. Once you've identified or created this element, locate the href attribute in the code. This is the part that tells the link where to go when clicked. Now replace the href attribute value with the pop-up code you copied from Jotform. This integration is what connects your button or link directly to the pop-up functionality. If you want to customize the appearance, you can adjust the width and height values in the code. For instance, you might change it to width equals 800 and height equals 600 to better fit your website's layout. After making these adjustments, save your changes. Before going live, it's always wise to preview your website to make sure everything works correctly. Click on the link or button you just configured and verify that the Jotform opens smoothly in a pop-up window without any issues. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Jotform to open in a pop-up window, keeping your visitors engaged without leaving your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.